Welcome everyone! Today we're diving into the natural world to explore the power of homemade medicine straight from the environment. Whether you're dealing with a cold, skin irritation, or just want to boost your health, nature has you covered. Let's get started. Dandelions aren't just weeds, they're nature's detoxifiers. Their roots and leaves are packed with nutrients that support digestion and liver health. Here's how to make a simple dandelion tincture. Add vodka or apple cider vinegar, seal the jar, and store it in a cool place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking daily. Once strained, take 10 to 15 drops in water daily to support your digestion. Next up, we have pine needle tea, an immunity booster loaded with vitamin C. Just be sure to identify safe pine species, as some, like you, are toxic. Steep the needles for 10 minutes to release their nutrients, strain, and enjoy. It's a refreshing way to support your respiratory system. Aloe vera is a skincare superhero. It's great for burns, cuts, and even keeping your skin hydrated. Apply the gel directly to the skin or store it for later. This natural remedy is soothing and effective. Elderberries are famous for fighting colds and flu. They're small but mighty, packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting properties. Simmer for 45 minutes, strain, and store in the fridge. Take 1 tablespoon daily for prevention, or up to 3 tablespoons when you're feeling under the weather. Plantain weed is a lifesaver for insect bites and stings. You can find it growing just about anywhere. Crush the leaves to release their juice and apply it directly. For long-term use, infuse dried leaves in olive oil, strain, and mix with beeswax to make a salve. If you've ever taken aspirin, you have willow bark to thank. It's a natural remedy for headaches and pain. Simmer 1 teaspoon of bark in water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip. A couple of cups a day should do the trick. Turmeric and ginger are a dynamic duo against inflammation and digestive troubles. Let's make a simple paste. Take 1 teaspoon daily, or mix it into warm milk or tea for an anti-inflammatory boost. Lavender isn't just beautiful, it's a calming remedy for stress and insomnia. Let's turn it into oil. Infuse the flowers in a carrier oil for 2 weeks, strain, and store in a dropper bottle. Use it on your temples, or in a diffuser for relaxation. Nature has so much to offer, and these remedies are just the beginning. Remember, always ensure your ingredients are safe, pesticide-free, and properly identified. With a little care, you can turn everyday plants into powerful medicine. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, stay healthy and stay connected with nature. Like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.